news that's coming in at the moment. A TMC delegation meeting NCP Chief Sharad Pawar at the moment in Mumbai. TMC Lok Sabha Chief Leader Kalyan Banerjee, MP Sagarika Ghosh, Saket Gokhale, all of them are meeting Sharad Pawar in Mumbai right now over the national political issues and also with regards to the share market crash. Sources have told India Today TMC is set to go all guns blazing on the share market fraud around the Lok Sabha elections. TMC delegation will also be headed to the SEBI headquarters. They will try to meet the top SEBI officials over the share market crash after the Lok Sabha results were announced. TMC delegation might even stage a dharna at SEBI if appropriate response is not received. This is the TMC, which is now making sure just before the beginning of the parliament sessions that their ammunition is ready with regards to financial irregularities. My colleague Vidya is now joining me on the story. Vidya, we have seen in the past also how TMC and specifically Mahua Moitra has been asking questions with regards to the financial frauds that we have seen cropping up in the country.
That's precisely the reason why the NCP leaders, Sharad Pawar's participation and discussion with him was extremely important. Baramati, Sharad Pawar actually had to leave for Baramati and he's left. However, just before Sharad Pawar could leave, the TMC delegation met him at his residence right here at Silver Oak, and they discussed as to how the BJP could be cornered in this entire upcoming Lok Sabha session, and in that session, how and what really needed to be asked as to how the inquiry and investigation really needs to be ordered in this. That's the kind of consensus that they're trying to build to corner the BJP in the upcoming session. So it's in this series that they met Sharad Pawar, and after this, around 11 o'clock, it is being said that the TMC delegation will be meeting the SEBI chief.
Well, Vidya, that meeting with the SEBI chief will be very, very crucial. Also, we have seen how all the opposition parties have now started to group together. And just before the beginning of the parliament session, it seems like the opposition this time is all set to make sure that they get out the government, the central government, with the kind of numbers that they have got.
Of course, whether the SEBI chief really orders an inquiry or there is a joint parliamentary, committee that is set up, how does the government really take it forward? Though at present, the government has actually denied, not really said much as to what they would be doing on it, and that's one of the reasons why the TMC is going all out to see that whether they can really corner the BJP and the NDA in this. But SEBI chief's meeting, yes, will be certainly very important as to what he really says. Whether the TMC delegation gets any information, whether there is an inquiry investigation that the SEBI has looked into. There are various aspects that will be important, and after this meeting, probably the TMC delegation would speak as to whether they're really satisfied with what the SEBI chief has said. So we'll really have to wait to see.
But just stay on with me. The images that we are getting with there at the moment are of the meeting at the moment that is taking place between the TMC and the NCP. Sharad Pawar can be seen sitting inside, and TMC MPs are meeting at the moment. NCP Chief Sharad Pawar, the visuals that you see on your screens, the TMC MPs, all of them now all set. After meeting Sharad Pawar, they'll be headed towards the SEBI headquarters. They'll be seeking answers from SEBI officials with regards to the share market crash that happened after Lok Sabha results were announced.